Forgotten username recovery failed on Banktivity Fix. If you've lost access to your Banktivity account because of a forgotten username, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because Banktivity now uses your registered email for login instead of a traditional username. Trying to guess it rarely works. Here's the solution. Step 1. Open Banktivity on your desktop or app and click Forgot Username. Enter the email you used to register your account. Banktivity will send a recovery email with a secure link to reset your login information. Step 2. If you don't have access to your registered email, collect your full name, account number, and recent transaction details. Banktivity support can use this to verify your identity. Step 3. Follow the prompts in the recovery email to reset your username or password. Make sure to check spam or junk folders if the email does arrive quickly. Step 4. If recovery still fails, reach out directly to Banktivity support. Provide your verification details and explain your situation. Their team is trained to help users regain access safely and efficiently. The surprising truth is that losing a username is not permanent. Banktivity's email-based login makes recovery straightforward once your identity is confirmed. By following these steps, you'll regain full access and can continue managing your finances without interruptions.